Ron Carpenito back with our questions to ask before buying in a condominium association here in Massachusetts. And it's one of my favorite questions. And the question is, what does the master insurance policy cover at the association? See, a lot of people think that if there's a roof leak or a pipe burst in a common area element or something from the outside affects the inside of the unit, you know, your personal belongings, your carpeting, you know, stuff like that, that the condominium association is responsible for that. And it, you know, makes sense, you would think that. But the truth is you may not be right, and you might actually be responsible for that. And this is why you want to find out what the master insurance policy covers. Typically you'll hear the words studs in or studs out, right? So if the condo association has a studs in policy, what that means is if you can just visually you know, turn the condominium upside down, right? Everything that doesn't move, the condominium association is responsible for. All right, that's studs in policy. Studs out policy is, you know, basically as that is defined, from the studs out. So from the wallboard in and all the fixtures attached to it, you're responsible for. Okay, so this is why it's important to get an individual unit owner policy. It's called an HO6 from your insurance provider to make sure you have interior coverage. Okay, so if you know, if in the event the policy coverage does not handle stuff on the inside. Now your personal belongings, you know, are not going to be covered by a studs in policy either. Okay, studs in again is just items that do not move. If you were to turn the condominium upside down, everything that doesn't fall is covered by a studs in policy. Now I am not an insurance agent, so you definitely want to verify everything we talked about with your insurance provider. But this is a basic rule of thumb when thinking about the master insurance policy at an association. Okay, if we can help you further, give us a call. Ron Carpenito, Keller Williams Realty here in Andover. Thanks.